Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to do a gorgeous, kind of earthy toned, but with pink, acrylic pour over a vase. So all of the paints I'm using are Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. These are ready to go right out of the bottle. You don't need to add anything to them. And the colors I'm using are white, pearl pink, which is a metallic, merlot, sand, some chocolate magic, which is also a beautiful metallic color, and then a little bit of gold. I got 3 metallics here, and I'm just layering these in my cup until I have enough for the vase and the canvas that I'm going to be putting underneath the vase. So keep that in mind when you're filling your cup. If you have a canvas underneath, you pretty much just need to fill up your cup enough to cover that canvas. I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas, and I have my vase sitting on a cup on top of the canvas. Now, the only thing I did to prep the vase was clean it with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. You don't necessarily need that percentage. You can clean it with any alcohol or even soap and water. Just make sure it's nice and clean, and then go ahead and pour right over it. I like to do basically a tree ring on the top of the vase, or rather the bottom, and then just let it run down and watch the beautiful patterns that it creates. It's such an easy 2-for-1 project and really makes a great gift. Now, once you're done pouring your paint out, let it drip down for about 5 minutes or so, pretty much until it stops dripping at the bottom. You could let it drip down for even longer if you'd like, but about 5 minutes is typically sufficient. Now, once it's pretty much done dripping, lift it up by the cup, move that to the side, and then finish your canvas. You may accidentally touch kind of the rim of the vase when doing this, but don't worry because the paint is going to continue to drip down and you will not notice it once it is dry. Tilt the canvas however you'd like. I like to go one corner and then back to the middle, then another corner, then back to the middle. Don't tilt too quickly in any one direction or you can end up running too much paint off of the canvas. And this is where you really just kind of modify it however you want. You can see there's kind of a feathered look that you get from pouring over the vase, and that will give you this kind of interesting design in the middle where the cup was sitting. So you can center that if you would like, or just tilt it however you would like. And there we go, a beautiful design. Now I do seal my vases with resin and typically my canvases with Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear enamel spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.